Alright. You can speak in Tagalog to me now.
Ano? Sige. Game.
Singing game.
Sige.
Okay, so what are we
Pag
doing right
nagluluto
now?
ako, ha?
I'll try to speak to you in English, and then we're gonna switch roles. You're gonna speak in Tagalog this time, okay?
O sige.
Okay,
Game.
good,
Ang
game.
dali lang yan. Wow. Alam mo ba?
No, I don't know yet. Why? What?
Alam mo ba? May
No.
libag ka dyan. Lisin mo yung libag mo.
Fuck.
Ang libag na libag yung...
So random. I thought we were
Yung
talking
ano
about
mo.
food. Why?
Ha? Hindi, kasi nakita ko yung cake may layer, di ba? Tapos nakita ko yung layer, mukhang libag mo.
It's pink.
Yung frosting.
Frosting.
Yung frosting. Mukhang libag mo. May libag ka ba sa paa?
What the fuck are you saying?
Ha?
Who the fuck gets the bug? Your foot.
Bakit ka tumatawa? Ang ganda naman ng tanong ko. O, sige.
Because you make me happy. I'm so happy I chose you. I'm so happy you're the
Kasi,
man that I chose. You make me so
yung-
fucking happy.
Naluluto tayo ng cake.
Yes, we are.
Nag-bake tayo.
Uh-huh.
O sige, yung roll mo,
No,
Ano bang
no,
role mo?
no English.
yung, yung,
What?
wala naman Tagalog yung roll. Yung niluluto mo, dahon na matamis. Oh, sweet leaf. Ay, nahirapan na ako. Ayoko na.
Aw. I like it. I like this thing too.
Sumasakit na ang dibdig. Oh, no. Sumasakit na ang ulo ko. Oh, sige, bakit? Ganun
Why?
ba? Ganun ba? Na-turn on ka na ba? Sa Tagalog na ginagamit ko? Gamitin ko yan sa'yo. Sige. Yung kasal ng mga kinakasal. Nakasal na.
Polygamy?
Oh, ang galing yun, ha? Yung nakasal, yung nagkasal na sinasakal, yung sali.
Why Sally? Why is Sally here again? Why are you bringing Sally dito ulit? Ha?
Kasi sinasaksak yung daga, tapos, how do you say? I forgot the word.
Sampung sardinas.
Sinasaksal na.
Don't say sal. Love. Do you know what sal is in Filipino?
Yung sauce.
No, it's not sauce. Sal is not sauce, love. It's bastos. It means
O sige, salsa tayo.
no, love. It means masturbating. The salsal means to
Really?
masturbate.
Really?
Yeah, salsal is a street language for masturbate.
Sali sa sala. Nagsasalsal si Sally sa sala.
Okay.
Oh. Ang sarap ng spaghetti, di ba?
Spaghetti suddenly.
Nagsasalsal si Sally sa sala.
Okay.
Sumasama
Sino sumasama?
ang kapitbahay.
Nanonood yung kapitbahay sa
Nanonood yung
bintana ng
kapitbahay.
sala.